Presenting the 2006 Ford Mustang V6. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include engine immobilizer, power windows, AC, intermittent wipers, rear defrost, power outlet, and AM/FM stereo. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.